Below, I will show you how to make the French potato salad called Salade de Pommes De Terre à la Française. Ingredients: 500 g of potatoes, 1 red onion, 1 handful of fresh parsley, chopped 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: cooking potatoes. Peel and cut the potatoes into larger pieces. Cook in boiling salted water for about 15 minutes until tender, but not yet falling apart. Strain, then cool with cold water to stop the cooking process. Allow to cool completely. Preparation of onion and parsley. While the potatoes are cooling, peel and thinly slice the red onion. Chop the parsley. Preparation of dressing. Mix Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, and olive oil in a bowl. Salt and pepper to taste. Assembling the salad. Place the cooled potato pieces in a large bowl. Add the red onion and parsley. Pour the dressing over it, then mix carefully so that the potato pieces do not break. Rest. Leave the salad to rest in the fridge for at least 1 hour so that the flavors blend well. Serving. Serve cold or at room temperature. This recipe is simple and quick to prepare, ideal as a side dish with grilled meats.